Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Game of Thrones couple Kit Harington and Rose Leslie have welcomed their first child, a baby boy, together. The new parents are very happy about their new addition, Harrington's rep confirmed to E! News.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Kit Harington and Rose Leslie are officially parents. The former Game of Thrones stars have welcomed their first child together, a baby boy. Harrington's representative Mariana Shafran confirmed to USA Today on Tuesday.
Take our lead.
More stories by Abid. Game of Thrones stars Rose Leslie and Kit Harington have welcomed a baby boy, their first child together. Page 6 reported the news of the birth on Tuesday and published a photo of the couple with the baby in London. Harrington's rep told Page 6 the couple was very happy.
Take our lead.
Game of Thrones couple Kit Harington and Rose Leslie step out with baby boy. Welcome to the Wildling family. In September, Leslie, 34, confirmed that she and Harington, 34, had a baby on the way. Her pregnancy was revealed by the UK's Make magazine when the actress debuted her baby bump on the cover.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.